Good morning, friends. How are you all? Yes, fine. Okay. Now we'll start that exercise 6.5 that we have already started actually, right? Question number 1 to 5 is over. Now we'll move ahead with the question number 6. That is maxima minima based जो है मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था. That is very important questions. So you keep in mind and do it very well. ये जो exercise 6.5 है miscellaneous sums and the last exercise miscellaneous उसमें से 4 marks का sum आता ही है. So that you keep in mind that it is very important and do it thoroughly. Okay. So now question 6. Find the maximum profit that can a company make if the profit function is given by p of x equal to this. आपको क्या करना है? The function is given. You just have to prove that function is profit is maximum and you have to find the maximum profit. You understand that? So maximum prove करने के लिए second derivative should be less than 0. Second derivative less than 0 होनी चाहिए. Okay, so that we can do it by the second derivative test. So first of all, px is given, so we'll find the first derivative. Then p dash x equal to 0 लेके x find करेंगे and then second derivative check करेंगे. That is the main criteria to find whether it is maximum or minimum. Understand? Okay, so now p dash x, ये 0. Here it is 72x, then the derivative is minus 72. Here is 36x, right? So this is the derivative of this function. Now we'll take p dash x is equal to 0. If you take this p dash x is equal to 0, what is it? That is minus 72 minus 36x equal to 0. So from that you can say that here 36x is this side, then x 36 2s are, but it is minus 2. So you get this value by the first derivative, x is equal to minus 2. Now we'll find the second derivative. So p double dash x equal to, p dash x is the first derivative, here it is 0. Here it is minus 36. Derivative of x is 1. So p dash, that is double dash x is less than 0 always. When you write the value p double dash of minus 2, then also it is the constant and it is less than 0. Whenever double derivative less than 0, the function that is p of x is maximum at x is equal to minus 2. That we have proved it is maximum at x equal to minus 2. But if you want to find the maximum value, then you have to write this value in our main function. That is our maximum value. ये जो प्रोसेस है ये प्रूव करता है कि फंक्शन हैज द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. बट अगर वो वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है कि मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कौन सी है, तो आपको यहाँ रखना होगा x. सो हियर इट इज p of minus 2 is 72 minus 2, 18 minus 2 square. And if you find it by the calculator, it is 113 unit. Okay, so that is what 113 units is the maximum profit of this company make. You understand that? Okay, so now question number 7. We move on to question number 7. That is, find both the maximum value, find both the maximum value and minimum value of 3x raised to 4, 8x cube, 12x square, 48x plus 25 on the interval 0 to 3. Okay, so here both the value, you want to find both the values of that maximum and minimum. अभी जब p double dash x is less than 0 तो maximum value होगी. and double derivative is greater than 0 तो minimum होगी. बाय द सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट लोकल मैक्सिमम या तो लोकल मिनिमम ही फाइंड कर सकते हैं. Here, if both the value you want to find and the close interval is given, so that you have to find the absolute maximum and minimum also that you keep in mind. यहाँ पे absolute value या global maximum minimum नहीं लिखा है, but both the value का मतलब वो ही होता है, क्योंकि जब हम डबल डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट ग्रेटर या लेस करेंगे तो लोकल मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम मिलेगी. बोथ द वैल्यू कब मिलती है? जब एब्सोल्यूट मैक्सिमम मिनिमम है तब, एंड द क्लोज इंटरवल इज गिवन. So we have to find the maximum and minimum, that is absolute maximum minimum and local maximum or minimum. So this is our fx, that is 3x raised to 4, 8x cube, 12x square, 48x plus 25. Then we'll find the first derivative, 12x cube, 24x square, 24x, 48, and this is 0. Now this is equal to 0 if we find this is equal to 0, then what? Here it is, if we take f dash x equal to 0, then 12x cube, 24x square, 24x minus 48, 0. So we can take 12 common. X cube, 2x square, 2x, 4 is equal to 0. So here if we factorize from this, you can take x square common. From this, x minus 2, from here 2 common. So our factors will be 12 इधर जाके 0 हो जाएगा. X square plus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. But x square equal to minus 2 not possible. From here it is not possible. Therefore we get only one value, that is x is equal to 2. और x is equal to 2 belongs to 0, 3 हो रहा है देखो. And that is only this value we can take. Now another is from here. You can take x is equal to 2. So now we'll find double derivative of x. We'll find from here, that is 36x square, 48x and 24. If you write x is equal to 2 here, 36 2 square, 48 2 plus 24 f double dash 2. And f double dash 2 अगर आपने find किया तो that is 72 होगा, which is greater than 0. If you find it by the calculator, you check this value of your own. Don't copy it blindly. There may be mistake. Okay. So that is 72 is positive and therefore it is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, that means f of x has local minimum value at x is equal to 2. Now if it has the x is equal to 2 minimum value, तो minimum value क्या होगी? f of 2. So wherever x is 2, 3, 2 raised to 4, 8, 2 cube, 12, 2 square, 48, 2 plus 25. So if you simplify this, f of 2 you will get minus 39. This is our local minimum value. But you have to find both the maximum and minimum. अब ये प्रोसेस से तो मिनिमम ही मिलेगी. So अगर both the value find करना है, what does it mean? That means absolute maximum and minimum find करना है. So how to find this absolute maximum and minimum? That is here f of 0 and f of 3 भी आप find करेंगे. So if limit point पे आप find करो f of 0. So if you write wherever it is x is 0, then f of 0 is 25. You know that. And f of 3, that is 3 raised to 4 minus 8, 3 cube plus 12, 3 square, 48, 3 and 25. If you find out by this calculator, that is given 16. Okay, so now we'll find the final answer is absolute maximum value. अब we have the three values 1, 2 and 3. From this, what is the maximum value? Yes. $25 and absolute minimum value. बोलो 16 की -39, it is -39. So if you want to find both the values, that means you have to find the absolute values. If it is maximum or minimum, then you have to find the local maximum or minimum by the second derivative test that you keep in mind. That is our question number 7. Now we do question number 8. Question number 8 is, at what points in the interval, at what points at the interval 0 to 2 pi does the function sine 2x, does the function sine 2x attain its maximum value? That is, at what point? That means the point of maxima you have to find at which point the function is maximum. Maximum value कहाँ पे मिलेगी वो आपको find करना है. So first of all, f of x is equal to, the function is, what is given? Sine 2x. So this is our function. Now we'll find this first derivative f dash x. So derivative of sine is cos, derivative of 2x is 2. So what we will write? 2 cos 2x. Now if we take this first derivative equal to 0 to find the value of x, that is 2 cos 2x equal to 0. 2 तो चला जाएगा. But cos 2x equal to 0, what does it mean? Cos 2x 0 कब होता है? Whenever zeros of the 2x for the cos is 2k plus 1 pi by 2, k belongs to z, or you can say 2n plus 1 pi by 2, n belongs to z. जो भी लिखना है लिख सकते हैं, right? Yes. Then what is x? 2k plus 1 pi by 4, k belongs to z. Now what? कि हमारा इंटरवल है 0 to 2 pi. तो 0 to 2 pi में यहाँ pi by 4, तो k is equal to 0 से शुरू करेंगे तो x is equal to, if you start from 0, k is equal to, that is x pi by 4. If you write k is equal to 1, that is 3 pi by 4. 2, 5 pi by 4. 3, 7 pi by 4. Now if you write 4, तो वो 2 pi plus हो जाएगा. हमें 0 to 2 pi तक चाहिए. If here 4, 4 to 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 4. तो here in the unit circle, pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. यहाँ 2 pi is over. One circle is over. So 0 to 2 pi में ये 4 value is only there. Negative भी नहीं आएगा 0 to 2 pi में, right? So now if you write that 9 pi by 4 is 2 pi के ऊपर चला गया, मतलब कि 2 pi में नहीं आ रहा है. So we'll stop here. That means we get 4 values of x. Now what you have to find? At what points attain its maximum value? वो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कहाँ पे मिल रही है वो आपको फाइंड करना है, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल फाइंड दिस डबल डैश एक्स. सो डबल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव, इट इज कॉस की डेरिवेटिव होगी -4 sin x sin 2x and 2x की डेरिवेटिव 2. सो अगेन आई विल राइट -4 sin 2x. Yes or no? Yes. At all these 4 points we have to find whether this double dash is positive or negative. The double derivative positive है या negative आपको each and every point पे find करना पड़ेगा. So here first of all f dash pi by 4 first point पे हम check करते हैं. So -4 sin 2 pi by 4. So that is -4 sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 1, it is -4 less than 0. So f has maximum value at pi by 4. f डबल डैश सेकेंड वैल्यू है 3 पाई बाई 4 -4 sin 2 और ब्रैकेट में है 3 पाई बाई 4. सो -4 sin 3 पाई बाई 2 हो जाएगा. नाउ sin 3 पाई बाई 2 इज व्हाट? यस, it is -1. So -4 into, you know, pi plus pi by 2. It is 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 is what? Sin 3 pi by 2? Yes. Oh, sorry. Yes. It is right. Then what? Yes, it is -1. You know pi plus pi by 2, that is in third quadrant, sign is negative. Yes. And therefore is equal to 4 greater than 0. So f has minimum value at 3 pi by 4. Then the third one is 5 pi by 4. So -4 sin. Now you can write directly. 2 into 5 pi by 4 is 5 pi by 2. Yes. Okay. Now 5 pi by 2 is 2 pi plus pi by 2. 2 pi plus, that is again it is positive first quadrant. So now this is 1. So -4, which is less than 0. So f has maximum value at 5 pi by 4. Same way we can find at the 7 pi by 4. -4 sin, यहाँ पे 2 2 जा 4 कैंसिल होके 7 pi by 2 हो जाएगा. Again it is what? 3 pi plus. 3 pi plus मतलब क्या हो गया? Yes. Third quadrant, it is negative. So minus minus plus becomes positive. So f has minimum value at 7 pi by 4. What you have to find? The point at which it is maximum and minimum. तो हमें ब्रैकेट, क्लोज ब्रैकेट दिया है, that is close interval is given. So absolute value भी आपको चेक करनी पड़ेगी. If it is open interval दिया होता या ना दिया होता तो चलता. बट इफ क्लोज इंटरवल इज गिवन तो वो वैल्यू भी आपको फाइंड करनी है, क्योंकि क्लोज इंटरवल फॉर एब्सोल्यूट पॉजिटिव मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम वैल्यू. दैट्स व्हाई आई विल फाइंड f of 0. So here it is f of 0 is 0 and f of 2 pi. So sin 2 2 is 4 pi. Sin 4 pi is, what is it? Sin 4 pi? 0. So both the values भी वो तो 0 ही हो रही है, मतलब कि वो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू या मिनिमम वैल्यू में नहीं आ रहा है. You understand that? Yes. Then what? Absolute maximum you have to find. Absolute maximum. वो मैक्सिमम कहाँ पे हो रहा है? Maximum value and maximum value. So at what point of this interval does the function attains the maximum value? So first we will find at x equal to pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4, fx attains the maximum value, right? Then you have to find this maximum, attain its maximum value. अगर ऐसा पूछा है कि find also that maximum value, तो you will find f of pi by 4 and f of 5 pi by 4. So what is f of pi by 4? Tell me. That is what? Sin 2 pi by 4. That is pi by 2 and that is 1. And f of 5 pi by 4 is sin 5 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2 is what? Yes. Again 1. Yes. So it is maximum value. If you want to find the maximum value के साथ अगर minimum value भी find करनी होती तो we will find this 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. If 3 pi by 4 if you want to find then it is -1. अगर minimum value भी find करनी है तो maximum के साथ तो वो -1 होगी. You understand that? At what point बोला है तो we will just find this one. Right? At what point that is? This one only. बट मैक्सिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है तो ये, और अगर मैक्सिमम वैल्यू फाइंड नहीं करो और मिनिमम भी करनी है तो 7π/4 और 3π/4 भी f में रख के फाइंड करेंगे, दैट दिस मिनिमम वैल्यू इज -1. अंडरस्टैंड दैट? यस. Now, this question number 9. What is the maximum value of the function? What is the maximum value of the function fx is equal to sin x plus cos x? Here no interval is given. No interval is given, that means you have to find the local maximum and minimum by the second derivative test only. No need to find anything, right? Closed interval is not given. So here you just find first of all f dash x. Then cos x minus sin x. Then you will take f dash x equal to 0. So cos x minus sin x equal to 0. So you can say that cos x equal to sin x. Also you can say tan x equal to 1. Tan x 1 कब होता है? जब it is π/4. But you know that it is not only π/4 because this interval is not given. So infinite values we can take. You understand that? जहाँ पे 1 है ऐसी कोई भी वैल्यू हम ले सकते हैं. So you will take that. Therefore, x is equal to k pi plus π/4. Here we'll write tan x equal to 10π/4. So 1 कब होगी? जब k pi plus π/4 होगा तब. That is k belongs to z. We know that. How to write this? All this equation हमने 11th में किया था. So this is k pi plus π/4. अब जब k pi है तो उसमें odd and even both is there. जब यहाँ odd है that is you know this here. k pi is 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi and all. So जब 2 pi plus या pi plus यहाँ पे जब होता है तब या k pi plus होता है तब what you can say here? Yes, first and third quadrant. Yes or no? Yes. So here it is 0, pi plus, if it is 1, pi plus, 2 pi plus, 3 pi plus, 5 pi plus and all, that is all. Here it is. Okay, first and third quadrant. First and third quadrant में tan is positive, but this cos and sin जो हमारा ओरिजिनल फंक्शन है उसे तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड में वो थर्ड में वो नेगेटिव हो रहा है, फर्स्ट में पॉजिटिव हो रहा है. यहाँ पे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, that you have to keep in mind. यहाँ पे मैं k pi plus को split करूंगी. Why? You see here that is x is equal to 2k pi plus π/4. That is all or even function. Or x is equal to 2k plus 1 pi plus π/4. That is all odd. pi plus 3 pi plus 5 pi. क्यों मैंने चेंज किया? बिकॉज tan के लिए तो वो सब फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड में ऑल इज पॉजिटिव, बट जब हम ये वैल्यू सेकेंड में रखेंगे, सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव वो tan के फॉर्म में नहीं है. सो दैट इफ यू फाइंड f डबल डैश x, इट इज माइनस साइन x माइनस कॉस x. सो माइनस कॉमन साइन x प्लस कॉस x. Now if you write this k pi plus, that means what? कि odd and even first and third both आ गए. अब tan is positive in both, therefore ये आ रहा था. पर हमारा जो फंक्शन है वो cos and sin में है, जो फर्स्ट में पॉजिटिव एंड थर्ड में नेगेटिव है, इसलिए हमें odd and even को अलग करना पड़ेगा. You understand that? So k pi plus π/4 instead of that we'll write even and odd. So whenever in the double derivative f double dash we will write 2k pi plus π/4. 2k pi plus π/4 is equal to, then 2k pi plus π/4 में क्या होगा? All is here in the first quadrant. Whenever it is first quadrant में π/4 की वैल्यू क्या होगी? y पाई बाई 4 है या 2 पाई प्लस पाई बाई 4 है, 4 पाई प्लस पाई बाई 4 है, वॉट एवर इट इज, इसकी वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होगी 1 बाई रूट 2. सो हियर इज माइनस 1 बाई रूट 2 प्लस 1 बाई रूट 2 इज रूट 2 एंड बाहर माइनस है, लेस देन 0. सो f has local maximum at x equal to 2k pi plus pi by 4 and that is here what is the maximum value पूछा है, what is the maximum value and therefore we will write f of 2k pi plus pi by 4 is equal to what is here sine. तो ये साइन ऑफ 2k pi plus pi by 4 in first quadrant it is 1 by root 2, cos b 1 by root 2. So we'll write 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is root 2. अब जब अगर मिनिमम पूछा होता है, if we write ये मिनिमम नहीं पूछा है पर we have to check this also. So here f double dash of 2k plus 1 pi plus pi by 4 is equal to 2k plus 1 pi, that is here if you write k equal to 0, pi plus third quadrant 2 1, that is 3 pi plus 2 5 pi plus, that means pi 3 pi 5 pi, that is third quadrant में ये जा रहा है. So in the third quadrant होगा तब दोनों वैल्यू माइनस होगी साइन एंड कॉस. तो here it is minus 1 by root 2 f double dash x is here minus of minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So this is minus root 2 minus, that is plus root 2 greater than 0. F has local minimum value at x equal to 2k plus 1 pi plus pi by 4. अगर लोकल मिनिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है तो f of 2k plus 1 pi plus pi by 4 is equal to, अब वो वैल्यू हम फाइंड करेंगे here, then it is minus 1 थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में both is negative, so minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 will get minus root 2. So that is local minimum. So what is the maximum value of the function? That is root 2. वो sorry, it is root 2. वो कहाँ पे आ रहा है? At which point? 2k pi plus pi by 4. ये यहाँ का changing point है, that you have to keep in mind, right? कि x तो ये आया क्यों? क्योंकि x हमने tan के ऊपर से फाइंड किया, बट हमारा जो फंक्शन cos एंड sin में है, tan is positive in fourth and third, so tan के लिए ये both positive होगा, बट cos एंड sin के लिए first positive and third negative quadrant है, इसीलिए यहाँ पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव अलग करने के लिए वी हैव टू ब्रेक दिस ऑड एंड इवन. सो इन दिस फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में द वैल्यू इज पॉजिटिव, इन दिस थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में द वैल्यू इज नेगेटिव. सो एट दिस पॉइंट वील गेट द minimum maximum value, at this point we'll get the minimum value. You understand that? So this you have to keep in mind. Okay, this is question number 9. We'll move on the question number 10. Find the maximum value of 2x cube minus 24x plus 107 in the interval 1, 3. Find the maximum value here. Two sum is there. First you have to find the maximum value in this interval and then find the maximum value in this interval. So first of all, by second derivative test we will find the value of x. पहले हम x की value find करेंगे, right? Okay. So here fx is 2x cube, 24x and 107. F dash x is 6x square minus 24. So if you take f dash x equal to 0, 6x square minus 24 0. So 6x square is equal to 24. So x square is 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2. But हमारा जो फर्स्ट इंटरवल है 1 3 का, उसमें -2 नहीं आएगा. So here we'll take -2 does not belongs to 1 3. So therefore we get the value x equal to 2, that is belongs to 1 3. Now we'll find double derivative. So f dash x is here, double dash x क्या हो जाएगा? 12x, right? If f dash double dash is 12, then if you put that value in here, f double dash 2, that is 24, which is greater than 0. अगर वो पॉजिटिव है, then f has local minimum value at x is equal to 2. So हम फाइंड करेंगे लोकल मिनिमम वैल्यू, where f के अंदर 2 रख दो. So that 2 cube 24 2 plus 107. So we will get, if you find it by the calculator, that is 75. Okay. So f of 2 is 75, right? Okay. Now we want to find that maximum value in this interval. और जब इंटरवल दिया है तो एब्सोल्यूट मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होगी. ये तो लोकल है ही अभी. इंटरवल इज गिवन तो आपको एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू डिफाइन करनी है. सो वी विल फाइंड f of 1 and f of 3. f of 1, 2 minus 24 plus 107 and f of 1 होता है 85. ये हमारी एक वैल्यू, ये दूसरी, and f of 3. If you put wherever it is x, you will write 3. Then you will get it is 89. So now you tell me what is the absolute maximum value, and you want to find only the maximum. So हम maximum लिखेंगे. So we will write absolute maximum value in interval 1 3 is, okay, here is the 3 value is given, 75, 85 and 89. So tell me what is maximum? Yes, 89. अगर minimum लिखना होता तो 75 होता, right? Okay. Now also find the maximum value in the same function in this interval. हमने जब interval 1 3 लिया था, so on that interval -2 does not belongs to था, इसलिए 2 लिया. Now this interval change, तो ये दोनों वैल्यू में से कौन सी वैल्यू we will prefer? -2, right? So now equal to plus or -2 है, तो 2 does not belongs to -3 -1, and therefore we'll take x is equal to -2. अब x की वैल्यू चेंज हो गई. अगेन फिर से यही करेंगे, that is f double dash -2 फाइंड करेंगे. Here it is -24. अगर माइनस लेस देन 0 है, सो f हैज लोकल मैक्सिमम वैल्यू एट x इज इक्वल टू -2, और वो लोकल मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या होगी? इज f of -2. f of -2, wherever it is x, you will write -2. 24 -2 and 107. Find it with the calculator. What is it? Tell me. Yes, it is 139. Yes. Okay. So this is our local maximum. Same way we have to find f of -3, f of -1. Wherever it is 3, x, you will write -3. So f of -3 is, yes, what is it? Tell me. 125. And f of -1, you have to find it yourself. 129. आपको यहां पे भी क्या फाइंड करना है? मैक्सिमम वैल्यू. सो वी विल फाइंड एब्सोल्यूट मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इन -3 -1 is, what is the maximum value? 139, right? So keep in mind, whenever it is a closed interval is given and you want to find the maximum minimum value, it is absolute. एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू के लिए आप मिनिमम, लोकल मिनिमम और लोकल मैक्सिमम तो फाइंड करेंगे ही, राइट, बट ये f(1) एंड f(3) भी फाइंड करेंगे। फिर तीनों में से जो भी वैल्यू मैक्सिमम है वो एब्सोल्यूट मैक्सिमम, जो भी मिनिमम है वो एब्सोल्यूट मिनिमम होगा। दैट कीप इन माइंड, राइट। सो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Now question number 11, it is given that at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 1, the function x raised to 4, 6 minus 62x square plus ax plus 9 attains its maximum value. On the interval n 0 to. Find the value of a. Right? This is somewhat different, but it is very easy question. That what it is given that at x is equal to 1, this function has attains its maximum value. अगर x equal to 1 पे function maximum value देता है, so you can say that f(1) is equal to 0. हम क्या करते हैं, पहले फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करेंगे, फिर f(x) इक्वल टू 0 लेके हम x की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे और उस पे फंक्शन मैक्सिमम है या मिनिमम वो डबल डेरिवेटिव से चेक करेंगे। अगर वो मैक्सिमम है, इट इज गिवन, मतलब उसकी डबल डेरिवेटिव लेस देन 0 है एट x इक्वल टू 1। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, x इक्वल टू 1 कहां से मिलता है, f(x) इक्वल टू 0 लेने से। सो दैट वी कैन से दैट हियर f(x) इक्वल टू x raised to 4, 62x square ax plus 9 will find f(x). Here it is 4x cube 124x plus a, that is the first derivative, but at x equal to 1 function has maximum value, therefore f(1) 0 होना चाहिए। f(x) इक्वल टू जब 0 लेंगे तब x इक्वल टू 1 मिलता है, तो फिर x इक्वल टू 1 रखेंगे तो f(x) 0 हो जाएगा। सो हियर इट इज 4 124 प्लस a 0, सो ये हो गया 4 minus 124 plus a equal to 0. So now you will find of yourself what is a. Yes, that is a is equal to, yes, 120 minus 120 इस तरफ जाएगा, a is equal to 120. This is only 2 marks या MCQ question. Okay, so this is question number 11. Now question number 12. Find the maximum and minimum value of. Find maximum and minimum value of, the function is given x plus sine 2x. In the interval it is given 0 to 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi is the 0 to 2 pi is one whole circle, right? Okay, now our f(x), x plus sine 2x. Now you tell me, whenever we'll take x plus sine 2x or maximum minimum, both the value you will to find in this given interval, which is closed interval is given, which value you have to find? Yes, it is absolute maximum minimum value. Yes, for that the process is same. आपको वो ही करना है जैसे पहले f(x) फाइंड करेंगे is equal to 0 लेंगे, right? Okay, so here it is First of all, f dash x. 1 plus 2 cos 2x. Then we will take f dash x equal to 0. 1 plus 2 cos 2x equal to 0. So can you say that cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2? And that is equal to minus 1 by 2 कब होता है? Cos की value pi by 3 है, तो 1 by 2. Then 2 pi by 3, that is minus 1 by 2. So we can say 2 pi by 3. Yes or no? We can take this directly. So now x equal to, solve this equation में हमने देखा था that cos है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? Yes, 2x equal to 2k pi plus or minus pi by 3, k belongs to z. ये हमने 11th standard में किया हुआ है already, right? Okay, so now x is equal to what? 2 cancel, right? Then what you can say that? Yes, ये 2 cancel, k pi plus or minus pi by 3, k belongs to z. Okay, now we want this value of x in that interval 0 to 2 pi. So here when we will take k0, तो ये 0 हो जाएगा, pi by 3, you will get this x pi by 3, वो 0 to 2 pi में आ जाएगा. Then another value if you take here, that is 2 pi by 3. 0 to 2 pi में माइनस तो लेना ही नहीं है, 0 to 2 pi में माइनस आएगा ही नहीं, हमें सिर्फ प्लस ही लेना है. So if here 1 pi plus pi by 3, this 2 pi by 3 belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Then yes, 2. Then what is it? 4 pi by 3. Yes or no? 4 pi by 3 and then 5 pi by 3. 0 to 2 pi में 5 by 3 की कौन सी वैल्यू आती है? On the unit circle it is 0 and 2 pi. So pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. Here it is pi plus pi by 3, that is 4 pi by 3, and here it is 2 pi minus pi by 3, that is 5 pi by 3. Only 4 value is there. फिर तो 2 pi के ऊपर चली जाएगी. We cannot take it, right? So these are the 4 values of x which is possible. Okay. Now what? अगर आप फाइंड करेंगे डबल डेरिवेटिव, so f डबल डैश x, that is what? 0, और ये हो जाएगा माइनस 2, 2 to the 4 sin 2x. Okay, now all this value we will find that it is local maximum minimum. So f double dash pi by 3, f double dash 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. Okay, so here if you write pi by 3, then what is the value of sin 2 pi by 3? Okay, minus 4 sin 2 pi by 3. Yes, it is minus 4 तो रहेगा ही. That is pi minus pi by 3 second quadrant here, right? And second quadrant में वो क्या आता है? Sin positive. Sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. So here minus 4 root 3 by 2. It is minus 2 root 3 less than 0. फिर minus 4 sin. If you write here 2 pi by 3, then it is 4 pi by 3. Minus 4 तो रहेगा ही, पर ये pi plus हो गया 4 pi by 3 in the third quadrant. 4 pi by 3 is here. It is negative. So minus root 3 by 2. So it is 2 root 3 greater than 0. Minus 4 sin. Instead of x, you will write 4 pi by 3. So it is 8 pi by 3. 4 to the 8. 8 pi by 3. Right? So now 8 pi by 3 is what? 2 pi plus. Two pi plus is there, right? Or you can say 3 pi minus, second quadrant positive. So it is minus 2 root 3 less than 0. And 5 pi by 3 to write 10 pi by 3 minus 4 sin 10 pi by 3. 10 pi by 3 is what? Yes, 3 pi plus, third quadrant, negative. That is equal to minus plus 2 root 3 greater than 0. That's why here at x is equal to pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3, f double dash x less than 0, it has maximum value. So maximum value find करेंगे f of pi by 3, f of 4 pi by 3. So f of pi by 3 is here. It is pi by 3 plus sine 2 pi by 3. So pi by 3 plus sine 2 pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Here pi by 4 pi by 3 plus sine 8 pi by 3. And sine 8 pi by 3 is what? 4 pi by 3 minus. It is, yes, 3 pi minus. Second quadrant ही जा रहा है. So it is root 3 by 2. That is the maximum value. Now you want to find the absolute maximum value. So we will find f of 0. So sin 0 0. So ये 0 होगा and f of 2 pi. तो here ये 0 हो जाएगा and sin 2 pi 0. That is 2 pi. So therefore absolute maximum value of fx. ये सब में मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कौन सी हो गई? टेल मी. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज 2 पाई. सबसे बड़ी वैल्यू क्या है इसमें? ये सब तो 0 to 2 पाई के बीच में है. सो दैट इज 2 पाई. सेम वे नाउ विल वांट टू फाइंड द मिनिमम वैल्यू. तो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? फिर से एट विच वी गेट दिस f dash x ग्रेटर देन 0 यहाँ पे. So we'll find f double dash 2 pi by 3 greater than 0 and f double dash 5 pi by 3 greater than 0. So at x is equal to 2 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3, f has minimum value. So we will find f of 2 pi by 3. That is 2 pi by 3 plus sine 4 pi by 3. Right? Yes. And that is what? It is pi plus. Here it is negative. ये negative है. So here 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. F of 5 pi by 3 is equal to 0. You will get 5 pi by 3 plus sine 10 pi by 3. So it is again 2 pi by 3 minus root 3. ये minus root 3 by 2 है. Now f of 0 and f of 2 pi is there. F of 0 and f of 2 pi we have already found. So what is the absolute minimum value? Here 2 values, यहाँ 2 values. So obvious है 0 is the minimum value. So it is 0. You understand that? First of all we'll find local maximum minimum. Local maximum f of 0 and f of 2 pi फाइंड किया. चारों में से whatever is the maximum is absolute maximum. फिर लोकल मिनिमम फाइंड किया. ये दोनों चारों में से जो मिनिमम है that is local minimum value. By that we can find the maximum and minimum value of this given function. Right? Okay. So question number 12. Now question number 13. Find two numbers whose sum is 24. Find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. Whose product is as large as possible. Okay. Now, two numbers. So, sum is 24. From that we can get the two numbers. If I will take one number x, then other number is, if one number is x, दोनों का sum 24 है, then what is the other number? 24 minus x. We know that, right? So it is 24 minus x. Whatever you want to take it possible as large as, that means product. तो प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर से हम फंक्शन बनाएंगे, जिससे भी मैक्सिमम मिनिमम फाइंड करना है उसके ऊपर से हम फंक्शन बनाएंगे. दैट मीन्स हियर fx is equal to x into 24 minus x. That is 24x minus x square is our function. ये हमारा फंक्शन होगा. Now we will find f dash x. So it is 24 minus 2x. If we take f dash x equal to 0, x is equal to 24 by 2, we get 12. Now whenever we get 12, we will find f double dash x. It is ये 0 होगा, here is minus 2. So f of f double dash 12 is also minus 2 because it is a constant function which is always less than 0. अगर ये less than 0 है, we can say that f has maximum value at x is equal to minus 2. अगर x is equal to minus 2 पे वो मैक्सिमम दे रहा है वैल्यू, then we have to find that maximum value. Okay, हमें वो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. Then here मैक्सिमम तो हो गया, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इज f of minus 2. तो here it is 24 minus 2 square minus 48 minus 4. So it is minus 52. Yes, it is maximum, but इसकी तो कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है actually. Why? Because we want to find two numbers. हमें वो दोनों numbers find करने हैं, maximum value नहीं. It is just to prove that कि product is as large as possible. That is product is maximum. वो आपको prove करना था. जो product maximum है वो हमने prove कर दिया. तो x की वैल्यू -2 लेके we have to find the two numbers. हमें two numbers. Okay, so now x की वैल्यू 12 है. So here x is equal to 12. Then y is equal to, or you can say other number is 24 minus x. That is 24 minus 12 is 12. So two required numbers are 12 and 12 only. Both are the equal numbers, right? This is our question number 13. So we'll move on the question number 14. Question number 14 is find two positive numbers x and y such that find two positive numbers x and y such that x plus y is equal to 60 and xy cube is maximum. What does it mean? वो ही सेम टू सेम सम है बट हमें सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म में दिया है. दैट मीन्स पॉजिटिव नंबर्स x एंड y का एडिशन 60 है और ये हमारा फंक्शन है जो हमें मैक्सिमम प्रूव करना है. सो दैट हियर x प्लस y 60 है तो y इज इक्वल टू 60 माइनस x हो जाएगा. टू नंबर्स x एंड y दोनों का सम 60. एक नंबर x तो दूसरा है 60 माइनस x. वी नो दैट, राइट? ओके, अवर फंक्शन जिसे हमें मैक्सिमम प्रूव करना है वो है fx इज इक्वल टू xy क्यूब. उसमें y की वैल्यू में रखूंगी 60 माइनस x क्यूब. यस और नो? यस. ओके, और अगर हमें कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं बनाना है तो वी कैन रिप्लेस x और फंक्शन हम y में ले लेते हैं. यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? तो क्यूब का एक्सपेंशन होगा ही नहीं. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल टेक y इज नो x इज इक्वल टू 60 माइनस y. सो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ y भी तो कर सकते हैं. इट इज नॉट गिवन कि x के फॉर्म में ही करो. सो x के बदले लिखेंगे 60 माइनस y क्यूब. तो 60y क्यूब माइनस y रेज़ टू 4. इट इज इजियर फॉर अस. अगर x के फॉर्म में लिया तो क्यूब का एक्सपांशन होगा. यू विल गेट द वैल्यू बट इट इज इजियर. नाउ फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव f ऑफ y. तो हियर इट इज 180y स्क्वायर माइनस 3y cube. Yes, 4y cube, not 3. Yes, we will take f dash y is equal to 0, 180 y square minus 4y cube 0. So we will take that 4y cube is equal to 180. We can say y is here. 4 y square common. 45 minus y is equal to 0. We can say y is equal to 0 or y is equal to 45. हम दोनों ले सकते हैं. Yes or no? Y is equal to, we can take both. Yes. Then here it is given that two positive number x and y. तो ये not possible क्योंकि positive number है, right? So here y is equal to 0 is not possible. So we have this value y is equal to 45. Now उसे maximum करने के लिए double derivative करेंगे. So here 360y minus 12y square. Now f double dash 45 करेंगे. 360 45 minus 12 45 square. You will find this value by the calculator. So it is given that minus 540 into 15 or something is given, which is less than 0 मिलेगा. 15. Yes. आपको खुद फाइंड करना कि वो लेस देन 0 मतलब नेगेटिव नंबर आ रहा है या नहीं. तो यस, इट इज लेस देन 0. सो f हैज मैक्सिमम वैल्यू एट y इज इक्वल टू 45. 45 पे मैक्सिमम मिल रहा है. सो दैट इज मैक्सिमम प्रूव्ड कर दिया. अभी मैक्सिमम वैल्यू फाइंड नहीं करनी है, हमें टू पॉजिटिव नंबर्स फाइंड करने हैं. उसमें y तो 45 मिल गया. सो हाउ टू फाइंड x? बाय दिस. Therefore, x equal to 60 minus 45, that is 50. So, two positive numbers x and y are 15 and 45. Whose sum is 60 and this is maximum. Understand that? Yes. This is also an important sum. So, question number 14 is over and our session is also over. Now in the next lecture, we'll go ahead with the question number 15 and complete the exercise. Till then, goodbye. Do this sum very thoroughly. Keep in mind it is very important. Understood? Okay then, bye.